So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Outlook. Now you want to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on repair. It's now going to repair your Outlook. Now you want to open up Outlook again, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on terminate. And now you want to click on reset. And then click on reset again. This time it's going to sign you out of Outlook, so you want to open up Outlook again and then sign back in, see if that works for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it, and now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Outlook. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Outlook. Now after you uninstall Microsoft Outlook, you just want to re-download it again, either from the Microsoft Store or from the Microsoft Outlook website, and this should now fix your problem.